tip is using a single dumbbell, and we're going to do an upper body exercise. So I'm standing chest depth water, feet are on the bottom of the pool, not too wide apart, and I'm getting my dumbbells in my right hand. So I'm going to go in, push down, and then release up with the left hand. So pull in, push down, and lift up slow with the right hand. So when I bring the dumbbell into the center, that's when I'm actually exchanging my hands from one side to the other, or the dumbbell from one hand to the other. I use this particular movement pattern for Tina Turner's Simply the Best in the verse. So we do one set that's slow, and then we do one that's a little bit quicker. Push, in, down, lift, in, down, lift, in, down, lift, in, down, lift. So it's not a super challenging exercise, but I really love that feeling of using my hands in the water as I push out with the spare hand. So the spare hand, the hand that's not holding the dumbbell, palms out, palm in. So you're always working against the water. So in, down, and lift. But there is certainly an upper body component to this that's required, and there's a bit of effort with my arms. My legs are not working that hard at all. They're just trying to stay on the bottom of the pool, which at this depth isn't really very challenging, which is good. But I don't want them having to work at putting their feet down, because I want them to feel their abdominals working as they take that arm action to the front. So that's when your abdominals work the hardest. This is where your arms work a bit, and then there's some control with lifting up to the side, but of course not that much effort because you're going with the buoyancy, right? So it's a great arm exercise that you can use as a way for some recovery between some cardio sections. You're doing interval training. This is a good one because it still requires some upper body strength and work, and it's got that beautiful combination where you can actually change arms. And the tempo, just for those people who are interested in the tempo, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the slow version. And then when we speed it up, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, down and up. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the fast version. And that's this week's Aqua tip. To demonstrate the dumbbell single arm action movement on deck is so easy. This is like an easy one to learn. So you want to make sure that your feet are nice and wide, or actually, correction, not too wide, because when you go out like this on land, that's not what you do in water, okay? Because if you're this wide, you might actually lose your ability to stay still. So you want to bring it in so it's not super wide. You've got your arms out to the side, you pull in, push down, and then you move your arms up to the side. So you've got to demonstrate intensity. So it's not this one, because it looks like you don't really want to be there or you don't care, but also it's hard to get the participants to appreciate how to work against the resistance. So what you want to do is get your fingers open, so this is as well on land, because it really helps with creating tension in your arms. You want to go pulling, push down, and open out. Pulling, push down, and open out. So you can see that as I do it, I'm sort of almost thrusting my body in a way to demonstrate this is going to be really challenging, and I change my facial expressions. All of these are very valuable tools as an instructor to effectively communicate what you want them to achieve in the water, right? Because if they do this, they'll move at their own pace, and also they won't really appreciate that there's intensity required, and you look like someone who's teaching on land and not teaching appropriately for the water. So, down and up slow. Other than that, there's no impact, so this is really taking the joints. And that's this week's Aqua tip.